Thank you. Thank you. Very good. Very good. Very good. Anyone else? Anyone else? Yeah, Mr. Take the mic.
See, it is very simple. It has the four stages due to the NCF or NCP that deals with the four stages that the foundation, preparatory, then medical section. First of all, they started the education in the Anand Center, starting from 3 years. And once he got the age of up to 5, he entered into the schooling. In schooling, he take the primary
Education.
that is called foundation. So if he goes to the classes up to 2, where he started his 5 years, then go to 3. Then 3 days classes up to 3 to 5. That is called preparatory. And after that, they go to the middle classes, middle education, where he got the education 6 to 8 classes. And last one is the secondary, we got up to the 12th.
Good. Very good. Very good. And the next I am going to invite the next person to whom I am going to invite. He is very much close to me, and he no one is Mr. Abhishek sir. What is 5 plus 3 plus 3 and 4? You have to answer.
जो यहाँ NEP का जो यह फ्रेमवर्क जो हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं वो 5 + 3 + 3 + 4 का जो यह एक फ्रेमवर्क सजाया गया है वो 5 जो पहला बताया गया है वो आपको जब बच्चे कुछ सीखना शुरू करते हैं उसको भागों में बांट दिया गया 3 + 2 कर दिया।
Good. Very good.
3 + 2 जो किया गया है वो 3 बांटे आपको आंगनबाड़ी के लिए कर दिया गया है और वो उसमें से जो स्टैंडर्ड 1 और 2 जिसको हम लोग प्राइमरी एजुकेशन का तहत हम लोग करते हैं उसमें बच्चा अब जो होता है वो स्टैंडर्डाइज हो जाता है क्लास वाइज 1 to 10th के लिए। यह 3 + 2 का फ्रेमवर्क है। उसके बाद जो बच्चे 2 के बाद जब 3 से एजुकेशन लेना शुरू करते हैं तो 3, 4, 5 यह आपका प्रिपरेटरी में आ जाता है। और जब बच्चे 1 to अगर हम लोग जनरली अगर हम लोग देखें तो 1 to 5 का जो होता है उसको हम लोग प्राइमरी लेवल में ही लेके चलते हैं। जैसे हम लोग अगर हम लोग स्कूलिंग देखते हैं तो वो 1 to 5 जो होता है वो हमारा प्राइमरी लेवल ही होता है।
फर्स्ट 2 स्टेज ही प्राइमरी लेवल है 5 + 3
primary है 6
5 + 3
स्टैंडर्ड 5th तक कम होता है।
5 + 3
Talking about foundation 1 to 5. Primary
क्लास ऑफ
फाउंडेशन उसका किया है।
Yes, foundational. It has been divided into
फाउंडेशन
When
प्राइमरी
the child completes the foundation stage up to the level of 8 years,
8 years हां
1 to 8, so 1 to 8 refers to foundational.
फाउंडेशन
And 8 to 11 refers to preparatory plus foundation. Sorry, not preparatory stage. 1 to 11 preparatory plus foundation. Foundation plus preparatory 1 to 11. And 11 to 14 the middle stage. We can say that 1 to 14. 1 to 14 it means foundational stage, preparatory stage and middle stage. And the last one is secondary stage. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
इसको जो बेसिक के रूप में जो दिखाया गया NEP के द्वारा कि यह जो बेसिक जो हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि यह 1 to 5 अगर हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि जो पहला हमारा जो फ्रेमवर्क किया गया वो जो 5 जो बता रहा है वो 3 + 2 पहले अगर आप लोग देखिए तो हम लोग जो पढ़ के आए वो रूट लर्निंग पे पढ़ के आए।
Traditional learning.
हम लोग का जो गेन किए हैं वो थ्रू द रूट लर्निंग है। आज जो भी इसमें NEP में जो भी चीज लाया गया है वह यह लाया गया है कि अब हम लोग जो किए हैं वो हम लोग को करना नहीं है। अब हमको करना क्या है तो बच्चे को एलोबरेट करना है, अलग तरीके से उसको बताना है, उसको सिंगिंग डांसिंग के साथ विद एक्टिविटी इंक्लूडेड करके पढ़ाना है। आप जो पढ़े हैं वो दूसरा चीज है, आप जो पढ़ा रहे हैं वो दूसरा चीज है। एनईपी लाने के पीछे लॉजिक क्या गवर्नमेंट की कि आपको इस लायक बना दिया जाए कि जो आप रूट लर्निंग पे बेस्ड थे अब आप एक्टिविटी बेस्ड लर्निंग पे।
Very good, very good. Give a big hand.
इसी को फ्रेमवर्क एनसीईआरटी और सीबीएसई और गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा जो यह मिल के किया गया 5+3 यानी 5+3 में हम लोग कहाँ तक पहुंच गए, आपको 3, 4, 5 स्टैंडर्ड तक हम लोग पहुंचे। उसके बाद हमारा आता है मिड सेक्शन जो 6 to 8 जाएगा, और उसके बाद आता है हमारा सेकेंडरी सेक्शन जो 9th 10th 11th और 12th जाएगा। और इसमें जो हम लोग पढ़े हैं आज, आप तो अगर 10th का और 12th का अगर क्वेश्चन अगर प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन या आने वाला जो भी क्वेश्चन होगा वो देख लीजिएगा, रूट लर्निंग बेस पे है ही नहीं। और तो इसके लिए 9th खासकर 9th 10th स्टैंडर्ड के जो भी टीचर है अगर वो पढ़ा रहे हैं तो उनको अब जो रूट लर्निंग बेस जो उनका पहले से बना हुआ है अब उसको चेंज करना होगा और उसको एक्टिविटी बेस पे लाना होगा। यह जो 50 आवर्स का जो प्रत्येक साल सीबीएसई जो बोलती है कि आप ट्रेनिंग कीजिए, आप ट्रेंड होइए, आपको ट्रेनिंग क्यों दिया जा रहा है? इसी कारण से कि आपका जो बेसिक रूट लर्निंग पे है आप उसको शिफ्ट कीजिए एक्टिविटी बेस्ड लर्निंग पे।
Thank you very much, sir.
इसी को कहा था एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव स्पीच।
Yeah, very good. Actually, he has given a clear speech. He has given the clear
एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव स्पीच।
He has given the clear message to the participants.
Or you are the
What is the
for
sincere for attending the training
Yes,
session of
yes,
the day.
Summary of this
Yeah,
session.
yes. The motto of the training session, we can see insert the aim of the training session. CBSE is spending a lot of money. CBSE is spending a lot of money. Whenever the CBSE training sessions are organized by the CBSE COE Patna, COE Patna.
Expensive lot of
Yeah,
but it also change our remuneration after 2 years.
CBSE is spending a lot of money. Over resource person. When a resource person attends or takes the CBSE, the training of the CBSE, he or she is given a lot of money on behalf of the CBSE. Okay. So CBSE attending as he has explained, CBSE wants to train the teacher. Actually, we need to organize the activity-based learning in 10th class, in 9th class or the 10th class. We prepare the questions that consist of what is the 3 marks of the question? 80 marks. And the 20 marks of the internal assessment. What is internal assessment? Internal assessment refers to the activity-based assessment. We teachers organize different types of activity, and according to the performance of the students, we teachers assign the marks to the students. Even in English, even the teachers who are from the language background, they also even in English, sir. Actually, we teachers prepare the question paper having the value of only 80 marks. 20 marks are for internal assessment. Internal assessment. Yes. Internal assessment means we have to assess the all-round development of the students. We have to assess the holistic development of the students. If the student is not good at the bookish knowledge, if he is a good orator, if he delivers the good speech on different occasions of the school, if he is disciplined, if he is cooperative, if he or she cooperates his colleagues.
Writing skills.
Yes, writing skills, speaking skills, there are different areas. We have to, yes, so we teachers give the marks, 20 marks for the students for their best performance in other areas except academic. Except academic, there are so many other areas, and we teachers provide the 20 marks of the internal assessment to assess their other activities of the students.
So CBSE or the NEP is trying to give the best knowledge to the students so that they can get involved the students in different activities. CBSE wants to develop the activity-based learning for the students. It will be effective and beneficiary for the development of the students as sir has said. Okay, and this is 100% correct. This is 100% correct. Let us discuss some of the points, and after that we will listen to him. He wants to say something regarding so national curriculum framework for the foundational stage, national NCF. We are just talking about the NCF, activity-based learning. Just I am coming to the same point. On the foundational stage, it consists as 5 years of flexible, multi-level activity-based learning. We have come on the same point. Activity-based learning for the students in the age group of 3 to 8 years. We are involving the students. In different play schools. So the students are learning by doing something, by enjoying, by cooperating to one another among the students, among the other children with whom they are living. So this is the activity-based learning. They are learning something from there also. If the students, we teachers just involve the students in different activities, like we teachers or we people send the students in the play schools. So this is some motto. This is the motto of the teaching, that we are just involving the students in activity-based learning. The students are learning something while playing with the other students of their age. They are learning something. They are just developing their critical approach. They are learning from the society. They are developing, they having the knowledge how to just cooperate with one another, how to help the other students in his society, in his class where he or she is going to get the education from. So this is the activity-based learning we have discussed. And the next one is the recommends age-appropriate pedagogy, curriculum assessment for the foundational stage. The need to nurture the unique capability of each child. What we need to do? We need to nurture the unique capability of each child. Each child has some unique capability, and we teachers need to nurture those capabilities. We teachers need to give them the chance so that they can do some better. They can just pour out their quality, and they could become able to spread the same quality among the other students, among the other friends of their circle. A multidisciplinary approach to education. A multidisciplinary approach to education. And the last is, it brings the divide between the home environment of the child and the formal school environment. Formal school environment. It doesn't talk about the modern school environment. It talks about the formal school environment. And can anyone say something about the traditional teaching method or the new education policy? Which one is better? Which one is better? Anyone else? New education policy is the better because it gives chance for the development of the students. It was not that our traditional method was wrong. Our traditional method had a lot of quality. The teachers had a lot of quality also. But if there is a changing of circumstances, we need to change. Yes, we need to change. And because of that, the government has brought the new education policy that was first time implemented in 1960. 1960? Not 8. 1968. The second time in 1982. And the third time in 1992. But it was not the implementation. It was a short change or short transformation. And this one will be considered the best transformation, the best transformation in the education policy, and that is NEP 2020. You want to say something? Clear to what? No, there is no need of it from my side. Now there is need to read the activity paper like that. Listen to me. We have only 1 hour. Listen to me. We teachers have only 1 hour to complete the session.
And first of all, you are going to get a questionnaire. Each and every participant will get a question paper that will consist of 25 objective type questions. We have to tick mark only, and after that you will get your attendance. At last you will get the feedback form. That will be in my favor. We have to what the knowledge has you got by attending the training, whether you get benefited or not. You have to give your performance. That will be in my favor. That will be the feedback form. So before starting the last session in the sense that the questionnaire session or the feedback form or the attendance. First of all, circulate the attendance to the teachers. You will circulate the attendance all by yourself.
सर इसमें पोर्टफोलियो को अगर इंग्लिश बेस करके अगर इसको माना जाए तो इसका रिजल्ट और बेटर
When we teachers we have only half an hour to complete the session. Once again I am going to invite someone of you to sing a song, to say a poetry that will be for the entertainment only. We have spent our 4 hours, we have spent our more than 4 hours. Now when there will be half an hour left to complete the session, I am going to invite somebody else to say something so that we can enjoy a little from our side. Okay? Distribute the attendance paper. The PPT which I have, this is the PPT of CBSE. This is the CBSE based or prescribed PPT, and having the module of more than 40. It will take 2 days to explain all those topics. It will take 2 days. Generally, CBSE sessions are engaged for the 2 days, so it will take 2 days to elaborate all the topics. I have just elaborated what I explained only 18 to 20 slides. I have more than 20 slides. Still remain incomplete to just explain, but the time is very short. We have only 1 hour, and after that the session will end. In between anyone can come. In between anyone having the poetry, something in his or her hand.
He's having.
Not only one.
He's having.
If some girls. Yes. Let us enjoy a little bit. Since today is the last of the 2024, let us enjoy a little bit. Anything?
तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है,
अच्छा ना है भाई।
प्यारी प्यारी है। सर हंस रहे हैं क्या?
नहीं, हंसने की और गाने की। अनिल जी के
मेरे ढोल रासन मेरे प्यार की धुन मेरे ढोल रासन मेरी चाहते तो निज़ा में बहेगी जिंदा रहेगी होगी फना मेरे ढोल रासन मेरे प्यार की धुन साथी रे मर के भी तुझको चाहेगा दिल तुझे ही बेचैनियों में पाएगा दिल साथी रे मर के भी तुझको चाहेगा दिल तुझे ही बेचैनियों में पाएगा दिल मेरी सुबह के साए में तेरी राहतों की खुशबू है तेरे बगैर क्या जीना मेरे रोम रोम में तू है मेरी चूड़ियों के खन खन से तेरी सदाएं आती ये दूरियां हमेशा ही नजदीक बुलाती ओ पिया दहलीज पे मेरे दिल की जो रखे है तूने कदम तेरे नाम पे हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना हाँ सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना हाँ सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम सच्ची सी है तारीफें दिल से जो मैंने करी है तू जो मिला तो सजी है दुनिया मेरी हमदम ओ आसमां मिला ज़मीं को मेरी आधे आधे पूरे हैं हम तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना हाँ सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम
Now the time has come for the question I
Now the time has come for the question and answer session. So please distribute the question paper to each and every participant. We have only 40 minutes. We have only 40 minutes and after that the session will be. So we will just distribute the question paper to each and everybody.
Others
सर के लिए कुछ हम भी कहेंगे।
नहीं, अभी आप सर के लिए हमारे प्रिंसिपल सर कुछ अच्छे
विमल सर आज कुछ नहीं कहिए।
हमारे लिए कुछ अच्छे अच्छे में वैल्यू लिख
हम लोग किसी को बुलाएगा
भाई सबका बन जाएगा, सबका बनेगा, आप टेंशन नहीं लीजिए। आधा कीजिएगा, किसी का नहीं बनेगा, सब फिल कर दिया
अरे ये तो कुछ भी नहीं, ये बहुत और बढ़िया था।
नाम अगर नहीं है
एक बार सर के एक भाई या एक बहन, दोनों आदमी जो है घूमते घूमते वो लोग गया जहाँ पे बहुत बड़े एक भाई और एक बहन दोनों आदमी घूमते घूमते कहाँ गया लोग, एक बहुत बड़े मुसाहिर के पास। और मुसाहिर के पास जाने के बाद
हटिए हम आपको स्पेशल, हाँ नहीं माइक दीजिए, माइक नहीं माइक दीजिए।
जो कुछ भी अगर है पास नहीं
दिल में जो भी है इनके लिए बता दें। ये साल का आंसर, ये सौभाग्य कितना है, ये साल का हो रहा है कि नहीं?
और ऐसे व्यक्ति के साथ हो रहा है,
ऐसे व्यक्ति के साथ हो रहा है कि जो सब
याद किया जा सकता है।
हाँ